Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Leaders of India, Israel, United Arab Emirates and the United States I2U2 have said that the inaugural I2U2 leaders meeting focused on the food security crisis and clean energy. In a joint statement, the leaders yesterday said innovative ways were discussed to ensure longer-term, more diversified food production and food delivery systems that can better manage global food stocks. The leaders said they intend to mobilize private sector capital and expertise to modernize infrastructure, advance low-carbon development pathways for industries, improve public health and access to vaccines, and advance physical connectivity between countries in the Middle East region. The I2U2 leaders highlighted initiatives on food security and clean energy in the joint statement. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla stressed that no word has been banned by the Lok Sabha secretariat, but only those words which are unparliamentary in nature will be expunged. The response came amid the controversy wherein some members of the parliament and political parties have raised objections over several words which have been listed as unparliamentary by the Lok Sabha secretariat in its new booklet. Briefing media in New Delhi yesterday, Birla said context is important rather than words. He said if any word is being used during the proceedings of the House which is unparliamentary in context, then it will be expunged. He said issuing the list of unparliamentary words is a routine process of the Lok Sabha, and this practice is in existence since 1954. Refuting the allegation that the government has banned certain words to restrict the opposition to criticize the government, the Lok Sabha Speaker said the government cannot ban any word. The 75-day COVID Vaccination Amrit Mahotsava commences from today to provide free precaution doses to all eligible population at government COVID vaccination centers. The special drive is aimed to increase uptake for the precaution dose of COVID vaccine among the eligible adult population, 18 years and above. The Union Health Ministry said this special COVID vaccination drive is a part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsava. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan urged all states and union territories to give an intensive and ambitious push towards full COVID vaccination coverage by vaccinating all eligible beneficiaries and covering them with precaution dose. The Centre has asked the states and union territories to ensure the availability of Sputnik V vaccine and the functionality of private COVID vaccination centres to increase the uptake of precaution doses of the Sputnik vaccine. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has written a letter to all the chief secretaries and administrators of states and union territories in this regard. Bhushan said that the uptake of the precaution dose of the Sputnik vaccine is only 5% of those who are due for it. Following the rise of COVID-19 cases within the country, Dimapur District Administration has advised the general public of Dimapur to take the preventive and precautionary measure against the spread of COVID-19 within the district. The advisory issued yesterday by Deputy Commissioner Sachin Jaiswal stated that since Dimapur is witnessing a low percentage of COVID-19 booster dose vaccination, the public are encouraged to get vaccinated with a COVID-19 booster dose which is made available at the District Hospital Dimapur and other government health units within the district. Social, cultural, sports, political, religious, entertainment, academic functions, and all other kinds of public gatherings are requested to observe COVID-19 appropriate behavior, such as wearing of face mask, sanitizing hands, sanitizing the premises, and ensure social distancing. It also directed all shop owners under Dimapur district to arrange facilities for hand sanitization and sanitization of their shop premise. Meanwhile, wearing a face mask in public places and markets has been made compulsory in the district. The central government will soon launch a nationwide campaign Har Ghar Tiranga to inspire countrymen to hoist the national flag at their homes to mark the 75th Independence Day. The initiative has been taken under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsava, for which the Ministry of Culture is the nodal ministry. That is all we have in this morning news bulletin. Have a good day.